everyone. We have today landed up straight at the Mumbai office of Future Market Events in conversation with the director of the company, Ms. Chaitali Davangeri. I would like to have a discussion with the concerned amazing shows back to back you are coming up with, starting with the India Fasteners show South this time. Last time in Pune, you had a great debut show, I must say. The kind of people you managed to brought to the event, that was commendable. So now this time in Chennai for the South market. So what is that you're taking from the last year's, debut show?
Yeah, thank you first of all for coming to Mumbai office and meeting us here. So yes, as you mentioned, we had a very fantastic show. It was a debut show in Pune, which was held in September 23. Being a hub, we got a very good footfall and quality buyers at the exhibition. We had around 9,800 plus unique visitors at the show for all the 3 days. And it was the industry demand who asked us to launch a show in Chennai, because again, South being a hub for the manufacturing industry, especially for the automobiles, electronics, aerospace and defense industry. So that was the reason we also thought, yes, since there is no fastener shows also happening and it is a good market, unexplored, so it is a time for us to launch the event over there. We had a good support from all our exhibitors. So this edition, which will be our second edition, but a launch edition again for the Chennai market or the South market, I would say. And we are very happy and proud that this will be the biggest fastener show in India, because we have surpassed our Pune edition count of exhibitors as well as of now.
That's really amazing. Congratulations on that. Like you said, it's going to happen for the very first time for the southern market. There are a lot of things which people could go and explore. Southern market also being one of the prominent manufacturing places. So what is the new thing which southern people could expect, and what they should expect exactly from the show?
Also expect more than 10,000 fasteners products displayed over there with all the nuts, bolts, screws and new fastener technologies coming up. And apart from that, we are having this, as I mentioned, there are new exhibitors also. So people will come to, when they are at the exhibition, they will see more new faces, more new technologies coming in. And we have got the big brands again at the show. The other big brands who will be present at the India Fastener Show South, apart from Micron, Precision, Sudhir Automotive, LPS Bosat, includes Deepak Fastener, Agarwal Fasteners, Mohindra Fasteners, Daljit Engineering, Kadimi International, Watson Fasteners, Rajratna Ventures, Kaloti Engineering, Paragon Fasteners. There are a lot of brands who will be present at the exhibition to showcase their products. Like Micron Precision is again our platinum partner. This year we have a new the company is of course the known one, Sudhir Automotive, but they have come on as a silver partner. Then apart from that, we have Universal Precision, LPS, which is again our biggest company. And the new companies which I was talking about are the Simons Marshall, which is the first time they are participating in an exhibition only for the first time. So they have never been there. And so likewise, there are many new companies who have been participating, and with the support of our existing exhibitors who are there. So definitely people will see more of technologies than just, coming up and visiting the exhibition.
And of course, fastener show is a very new concept, I would say, to the Indian market, which, you've had a great debut show and now the second edition. Where do you think that the shows like yours are playing the role in the businesses of these kind of fastener industry, or the hardware, or the basic machinery industry? So how it is going to play a role?
See, fastener industry or a fastener segment is such that it goes across all the industries. I cannot say it's specifically automotive, automobiles or aerospace, but it is used across the industry. But now, since we are coming up with the exhibition, so companies are also getting to explore the markets. Like the people, when they asked us to do it in South, it is because they knew there is a market, but they didn't have the platform for that. And to showcase their products, they need such platforms like exhibition, and which we thought we could be doing it and exploring the market, because we have a very strong team who is working continuously to get the proper buyers for them. And so that they just get the ROI. It is not that they just come and do their brand building activities, but definitely they will get the buyers wherein they will have the ROI for that. Because as I said, our focus is not for just to get them the buyers from specific industries or a limited industry, but we are focusing across. across the segments which will be there at the venue for them.
And like you said, there are so many consumer industries apart from the automotive, aerospace, and others, which people are not really aware of. So if you have to elaborate on that.
See, for example, furniture industry. I mean, if when we say that furniture industry is the buyer segment for fasteners, so people who are not aware what exactly it is, they sometimes feel, oh, is it? But when we speak to our exhibitor, like who are their target buyers, so we also come to know, okay, fine. Furniture is also one of the segment which they target, which are their buyers for that. So similarly, like we have this constructions. So as I said, it might look like a very small element for the construction industry, like okay, faster, we require it. But for fastener industry to get the construction companies at the exhibition, for them to be at the meetings is very important for them.
Rightly, and the show, I would definitely say that bringing a precision to the fastener industry, which is the most important element in the fastener industry. So thank you, Chaitali, for this wonderful introduction. I hope you will have a great show in Chennai. We wish you the best for the same.
Thank you so much, and I would request everyone to please register right now and do visit our exhibition, which is from 10 to 12th of April at Chennai Trade Center, and it is in hall number 1. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, everyone, for watching us.